The Queen is celebrating her Platinum Jubilee in just over a week, and Philip Schofield and Holly Willoughby from This Morning were hosting the show live from Buckingham Palace to celebrate. The presenters spoke to Giles Brandreth, who is well informed on the royal family. He discussed the interiors of the palace and how they reflected the Queen, whom Giles said is quite a traditionalist. Buckingham Palace was originally known as Buckingham House according to Giles, when it was bought by King George III. It was George IV who turned it into a proper palace. Nowadays, the palace is most associated with the balcony where people come and wave during trooping the colour. What does it look like inside? The palace has 775 rooms, including a gallery, stunning gardens and a ballroom. Many of the rooms are private, but royal fans can catch a glimpse of some of the palace's highlights. Visit the royal home. £14 up view deal. Ever wanted to visit the residence of the royal family? Available now. Buy tickets to Buckingham Palace and see everything from changing of the guard to the Queen's Gallery. Prices start from just £14 up. This box contains affiliate links. We may receive a commission on any sales we generate from it. Learn more. Throne room. Back in October 2020, Kate Middleton and Prince William were photographed in the throne room with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and his wife Elena. The room was stunning and regal with red and gold furnishings and a large marble fireplace. Gold-framed mirrors and bold red carpets made the room look even more eye-catching. Over the past 200 years, the room has had many uses. It has been the setting for spectacular balls during the reign of Queen Victoria to investitures held by King George V. Palace Ballroom. The Palace Ballroom has a similar decor to the throne room and has been used to host guests and state dinners. The room has red carpets and a white horseshoe table in the center. Gold paneling and candelabras are on the walls along with landscape paintings. 6 chandeliers hang from the ceilings which make the room spectacularly lit. 1844 room. This is one of 19 staterooms in the palace which has hosted both world leaders and other important guests. The room has several gold mirrors and a pink floral carpet. Blue and gold chairs match the carpets and add a splash of color to the room. Famously, William and Kate met with Barack and Michelle Obama in this room. White drawing room. This is where the Queen makes her yearly Christmas Day speech. The room has white walls, gold borders and red and cream carpets. Family photos placed on a wooden table can often be seen by viewers when the Queen gives her speech. The room also has an impressive chandelier that hangs over a gold grand piano. Picture Gallery. The Picture Gallery at Buckingham Palace has been a setting for many receptions. The gallery contains paintings by Rubens, Van Dyck and Canaletto among many others. The room was designed by architect John Nash for George IV. Garden. Buckingham Palace is home to a 39-acre garden which is the Queen's private London garden. It is also the location for the Queen's garden parties which have around 24,000 guests. The garden has 325 wild plant species, 30 species of breeding birds, and over 1,000 trees, including 98 plane trees and 85 different species of oak.